top. 2 outs for Sung-Chae Chang. Chang takes the ball as it scoops up and it last night off. 1-0 on the outside corner, a strike, 1-1. Off days have been hard to come by for the Indians. The batters, I should say, because you look at the availability right now. It's Ji-hwan Bae on the bench with Sean Ross. That's it. 1-1 misses down and in for a ball. Hasn't had a day off in quite some time. So the 2-1 swung on and driven out into the air into dead center field. Schreck is going back into the alley and he makes the catch. A few steps shy of the 4-8. He awaits. 2-0. Swung on, grounded up the middle. Sliding stop attempted to be made by Chang, but it goes off his glove and into center. That'll be a base hit. Would have been a phenomenal play had Chang been able to complete that. He was going to try to scoop it up on the one-knee slide and then spin around and make the throw. Not sure he would have been able to get Stefanik anyway. But it is a base hit to break up. Renamed to Busch Stadium.
And there's a ground ball to short. Chang's got it. Throws onto the first baseman, Solak, for the out. That was it.
The Indians. First pitch, fastball down and in, ball 1 at 91 miles per inning so far. It's the 1-0, pop foul, third base side. Twisting out of play for a strike. They're about all the way to the top of that hotel in terms of the windows, maybe 5 or 6 stories left. The 1-1 on the outside corner, a strike, but I think Chang wants to look at this. Batter challenge, so it is Chang asking if this is a ball. And he's correct, it's high. Indians win the challenge. Two 2-1, a liner down the left field line, twisty something, I think, in Double-A. 2-2, hard grounder right side, scooped up on a couple of hops over there by Martinez. He'll throw out Chang 4-3.
He's done it all. And a breaking ball, a little bit high, ball 1. And the 1-0 delivery. He push bunts on the ground. That's going to be a base hit. They got no chance. Bunting to the left side, deadening it about 15 feet up the third base line and about 5 feet fair. He can fly, and he has a bunt hit, a terrific way to start an inning.
With less than 2 strikes, especially leading an inning off, Howard, if you don't bring your third baseman in, at least level with the bag early in the count against